If you want to connect printer on a Realme GT 7T, then in that case what you have to do is go to settings first. After that we're gonna go to connection and sharing, and then here you should be able to find the print option. In this case, the first thing that you can do is go to default print service, and then you should be able, well, potentially you have the option to find available printers over here on this list. However, there is a chance that you won't be able to find them. You can also try to press this plus button over here in order to try to search by IP address, or we can search for Wi-Fi direct printers. Nevertheless, if this option doesn't work for you, you cannot add a printer using this option, then we can go back and we can choose to add print service. You will be redirected to the Google Play Store, where you have a bunch of different plugins, additional apps for different printers. So essentially you want to install the app for your printer. So for example, if you have a Canon printer, then of course you want to download the Canon print service over here, and then you can try to use this app in order to connect the printer. Also, there is a chance that your printer requires a very specific app to be downloaded from the Play Store. So if these both steps do not work for you, you might want to check the user manual of your printer and try to find the information about connecting the printer with your phone in order to try to find the information if there is any specific app that you need to download. And that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, I cannot show you specifically how to download a very specific app for a very specific printers, because of course it depends on the printer itself most of the time. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.